I did went yesterday. Is this sentence correct? No, it is not. I did go yesterday is the correct sentence. These are some of the incorrect statements that we hear daily. I did went, I did slept, I did came, I did ate. Stay with me as I explain to you why these statements are incorrect. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Know Your English Grammar, where learning English becomes easy. If you have not as yet subscribed, please do so now as I continue to bring you insightful English grammar lessons to improve your knowledge of English. I did went yesterday. Why is this sentence incorrect? Did is a helping verb. It is from the verb to do. The verb forms of to do are the simple present tense or verb 1, do, the past tense or verb 2, did, and the past participle or verb 3, done. Went is the main verb in this sentence, but went is the past tense of the verb to go. Go is the base form of the present tense of went. We never use did with the past tense or past participle of the main verb. The main verb always maintains its base form following the helping verb did. The main verb went should therefore be replaced by its base form, which is go. So, in this example, our sentence should read, I did go yesterday, not I did went yesterday. A helpful tip to remember what form of the main verb you should use following did is to note that did, the helping verb, is already in the past tense. Therefore, the main verb does not need to be used in the past tense. The helping verb did already qualifies the main verb. So, the main verb must be in its base form. For example, we say, I did stay, not I did stayed. I did walk, not I did walked. I did sleep, not I did slept. And I did eat, not I did ate. It is, however, important to note that in a sentence about the past, without the helping verb did, the main verb must be in the past tense. For example, in the sentence, I did go yesterday. If we remove the helping verb did, then the main verb must be in the past tense. So our sentence would have to read, I went yesterday. So I did go yesterday or I went yesterday would be correct. Here is another example. I did eat all my dinner. If we remove the helping verb did, we have to change the tense of the main verb to the past. So our sentence would become, I ate all my dinner. So I did eat all my dinner and I ate all my dinner would be correct. Let's do a little quiz to see if you understood this lesson. You may stop the video to consider your answer, then we will go through them together. Please give me your feedback in the comments section. Number 1. Tom really did completed the entire marathon. Number 2. She did excelled in the challenging English grammar quiz competition. Number 3. The kids did perform their best on stage. Number 4. I can't believe he actually climbed that steep mountain. And number 5. Kent's mom contribute to the success of the event. Let's go through the answers together. Number 1. Tom really did completed the entire marathon. Did is our helping verb, and completed is our main verb. As the rule states, the main verb following did must be in the base form or present tense of the verb. The base form of the verb completed is complete. Therefore, our sentence should read, Tom really did complete the entire marathon. However, as I noted earlier, if we remove the helping verb did, then our main verb complete would have to be in the past tense. So our sentence could also be written as Tom really completed the entire marathon. Number 2, she did excelled in the challenging English grammar quiz. Did is our helping verb and excelled is our main verb. As the rule states, the main verb following did must be in the base form or present tense of the verb. The base form of the verb excelled is excel. Therefore, our sentence should read, she did excel in the challenging English grammar quiz competition. Again, if we remove the helping verb did, then our main verb excel would have to be in the past tense. So our sentence would be rewritten as she excelled in the challenging English grammar quiz competition. Number 3, the kids did perform their best on stage. This sentence is correct. Did is followed by the base form of the main verb perform. So this sentence is correct as it is. However, if we remove the helping verb did, then our main verb perform would have to be in the past tense. So our sentence could also be written as the kids performed their best on stage. Number 4, I can't believe he actually climbed that steep mountain. This sentence does not have the helping verb did, so climb, which is the verb, should be in the past tense. The correct sentence would be, I can't believe he actually climbed that steep mountain. If we added the helping verb did, then our sentence would be, I can't believe he actually did climb that steep mountain. And number 5, Kent's mom contribute to the success of the event. Like number 4, this sentence does not have the helping verb did. Therefore, the verb contribute should be in the past tense, making our sentence, Kent's mom contributed to the success of the event. And again, if this sentence had the helping verb did, then our main verb contribute should remain in the base form of the verb to read, Kent's mom did contribute to the success of the event. And that's it for this lesson. I hope you found it useful. I will see you next time for another insightful lesson in English grammar. If you have not subscribed, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. Thank you again for joining. See you next time.